Hello there. Well, it's time for the big reveal. After months and months of hard work, uh, painstakingly dealing with the city and demo work, our Dallas house is finally done. Okay, so I'm gonna take you inside, and you can see from the beginning of the videos how it turned out. So let's go. Come on in. There's our beautiful Dallas house. So you can see we changed the facade a little bit. These are hardy boards. They look like sidings, but they're not. Modern fixture, door up front, a big window, a picture window as we called. The side also been changed to a little bit modern look. Completely redone. As you can see, it was half brick, half textured, half whatever. The whole front had to be torn down. If you follow us and look at the older videos, you get a better idea. The whole side of the house, again, it turned out really nice with the color scheme, charcoal, white, new fence. So let's walk inside and see what's in store. There's our house. It is unimaginable that this turned out to be like this. If you remember, it was just basically a burned down house. It was down to its bones, frames, not much left on the floor. So let's walk through. So we come into a big, large living area, multi-purpose, whatever you want to call it. Nice fireplace. We tiled it up to kind of give it a contrast between the whites and the grays. You can again use this as a semi-dining area, and there is a lip on the counter as well, so you can put stools. We give there plenty of storage even underneath, because the kitchen was a galley kitchen, so we turned it into a little bit modernized look. All new appliances, plenty of storage, you can see here as well. All new appliances, modernized sink. And this is another flex breakfast nook, if you want to call it, or even if you want to make it into a proper dining area, you can do that. We gave it a full pantry right here, very large. And then this house turned out to be, I want to call it 4 rooms. 3 of them are bedrooms. One of them we made it into an office or playroom, whatnot. We lifted up the ceilings, so it's an A-frame. It wasn't there before. This one is carpeted for a little bit more comfort and cozy look. A full laundry was added to this room. So I guess some of the original plans when we were discussing what we're gonna do, it was there. So we were able to deliver. The first room and the second room are connected through this Jack and Jill. You can see very nice, decent sizes. Bright natural light. So this is the Jack and Jill. Modernized vanities, a full bathroom right there. It connects to the other room. Both of the rooms have built-in closets, decent size. Again, the room is of a decent size as well. Natural light coming through. Then off the main path, we go into the master with a big picture window looking out the backyard. This one has a double door closet. Okay. And then you can look into a large backyard. Again, a lot more room for improvement there. If somebody wants to even put a pool, a golf course, whatever they want to do, a little teeing area, they're able to do that. And that is off the end is the 2-car garage also. So they can actually make a path out of here. But we left it all for the owners or the future owners, whoever's gonna be, to deal with that. Master bathroom, again, full master bathroom, big vanity sink, cabinet areas. And then off of here, you go back out and you can see how large this area looks like now. And then if you can see, this is the architectural design we added. Another A-frame, we lifted up the ceiling so it doesn't look like you're walking into a low ceiling house, all of a sudden it gives you a brighter view. It gives a really nice touch because it divides the two areas nicely. And then you have this feature, it's more artistic and modern. So I hope you have followed us. It's definitely been a journey, but the fruition is here. The house is listed. You guys can check it out on Zillow. I'll put the address in the comments. Let us know what you think. On to the next ones. Okay, till then, bye. Decided to add a little bit more for the backyard because it was an undertaking. All new stairs. We made it a little gardening area as well. We're actually gonna put more grass over here, but it's off season, so we're having to we're having a little bit of trouble finding, grass. We need about 6 pallets, but it's off season, so it's hard to get. So you can see the whole side of the house we renovated, remodeled to a modern look, gray and whites all together. Huge backyard again, and this was an undertaking because when we started doing the plumbing was blocked by, there was a tree right there, and I'll put a picture here somewhere, and you can see there were 2 trees, and they had chewed through the old pipelines for plumbing. So we had to literally bring a digger, and it dug from that end all the way to the other to connect to the city lines because the plumbing wasn't working, and we ended up getting a new outlet as well. So again, back of the house looks very nice. It's gonna make a very nice house for somebody. New HVAC systems, and that's the storage. Very nice because this house does not have a huge storage attic, so this could be handy for storing your lawnmower or whatnot. But there you go. We had to level out this backyard as well because we couldn't drain into the other lot, so we had to bring some heavy diggers and heavy equipment to do all that. The paths also had to be cement for the AC pad and whatnot, so we made it a little pathway as well. The future plan is, if we get to keep this property, we may actually put a deck here, but right now it's for sale, so the owner has the option to actually make it a deck here, and then onto like a nice sitting area as well. So here you go. This is the house from the outside.